Alright, so I'm almost done with this today. This thing, I'm trying to give Duck a little bit of depth, a little bit of extra brain thought, a little extra. So, what I think was the most annoying thing about the way he functioned before was that he would, what do you call it, say, why am I not hearing you send messages? Is it because it's coming from the Restream bot, or do I not have this going? It's actually interesting. Button on the wall. Who's the host of a button? Actions. Partly connected. Oh, it's yeah. It's because I need to connect on the old YouTube somehow. Connect. I have that. Oh, I said it's just not an option on this one. Okay. Sign in with Google. Hi there, Astro. Chat client. Wait, it's. Why is it doing that? Duck says quack. Yeah, Duck does say quack. At least this time I was like actually looking at the thing to know that somebody was saying stuff. So Duck is getting a serious upgrade today. I'm putting in the effort.
Diamonds that I wear, gold lace, please you like no other. Heartbeat racing, I'ma put you through these paces. Be the best you ever tasted. Gonna stay on your mind, come back every time, baby. I'ma keep you craving. Baby, I'ma keep you craving. Subject to your abuse. I'm that desire in your blood you can't refuse. You picked your poison, boy, ain't nothing left to choose. Now you can't get enough. Intoxicated, can't recover. Seductive eyes, I'll keep you close. With your hand on my hips, hold through your wrist, press to these lips. Kiss, I won't tell. Diamonds that I wear, gold lace, please you like no other. Heartbeat racing, I'ma put you through these paces. Be the best you ever tasted. Gonna stay on your mind, come back every time. I'ma keep it craving.
You know, the duck model, the way this is all working out, I didn't actually think it would go this way, but the way it seems to be working out is I could probably run more than one bot at the same speed that the bot was going before on this one computer. I don't think it was going to be that good, but it is going to be that good, I think.
'cause you got an appetite, but don't you get tired of sweet. It's fun on the darker side, and I make it so easy. So taste it on my lips. Fall in love with unpredictable kind of makes you sick, but the buzz is irresistible. Such a pretty poison. Take caution if you please, 'cause you never know what's next.
Yeah, I think the reason I'm not hearing those YouTube messages is because I don't have a thing set up to listen to the YouTube messages.
So pour me out
It
like
is
whiskey.
a little bit weird that it doesn't.
Double with that superpower energy. It gets you in trouble.
Pick up on the
You got
restream
an
thing.
appetite, but don't you get tired
Yes, I
of
can.
sweet. It's fun on the darker side, and I make it so easy. So taste it on my lips. Fall in love with unpredictable kind of makes you sick, but the buzz is irresistible. Such a pretty poison. Take caution
I have
if
so
you
many
please,
tabs
'cause you
open.
never know what's next.
Jesus Christ! I'm just closing them all.
So pour me out like whiskey neat, and make it a double with that superpower energy. It gets you in trouble, yeah. You got an appetite, but don't you get tired of sweet.
Did
It's
I
on the darker side, and I
not
make it
update the I did not press the button to update the category. This isn't Minecraft, is it? No, it is not. We are just doing software development. In fact, I'm just gonna leave it as software development always, because you know, at some level, that's what I'm doing.
caution if you please, 'cause you never know what's next.
And I really don't care if you like the games that I'm playing.
Am I even human? I'm not even used to this no more. Isn't that I need you? 'Cause I'm better than I was before.
You need to yell at me for this? It should, because I'm 10. Duck says quack. Duck says a lot more than quack. Oh, Duck is gonna have his own thoughts today.
Am I even human? I'm not even used to this no more. Isn't that I need you? 'Cause I'm better than I was
Testing, testing. Okay, I heard it there.
You fell out of love, and I know
So that works
it's
now.
true. But just in case I'm in love,
Okay. Okay.
can you tell me what good?
This,
Yeah, and I
this,
know that
this,
things are not
here,
the same.
this, start dialogue, handle spoken input.
But you slip away and pretend that it's okay. Write me like it's not too late to love you. I'm all alone in my own head, but without you, I'll be even more dead. If there is hope, tell me you need me. Fuck me and mean it, and don't ever leave me. Too late to love you. Too late to love you. You'll make me depressed once you live my life. Yeah, I'll just stay in my bed and watch the clouds fill my sky. It's not over, but soon it will be. I'm no longer the one you need. I try to hold on, but you slip away and pretend that it's okay. Write me like it's not too late to love you. I'm all alone in my own head, but without you, I'll be even more dead. If there is hope, tell me you need me. Fuck me and mean it, and don't ever leave me. Too late to love you. Too late to love you. Never really knew that I could hate someone like this. You put the metal to my brain, pull the trigger, and you never miss. Too bad it took me so long just to figure it out. Wasted all my time when you were fucking around. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Turn my heart to stone. Everything like glitters ain't gotta be gold. 'Cause you were just obnoxious, too fucking toxic to process. Yeah, you're better off alone. 'Cause I threw my life away to please you. No one told me we were playing pretend. And thanks to you, I'll never be happy again. constant fear of my own mortality. Trying to escape this simulated reality. Everybody's gonna be dead someday, but maybe it won't be the same for me. Why do I have to be normal? What if I wanna be immortal? What if I wanna? Legends never die, so I guess I'll stick around for a minute. And I can never let a false guy tell me when my job is finished. I'm kicking up my feet like I'm running shit. Too far gone, so I might as well run with it. Rumbling with kings and queens for the hell of it. It's my world and I'm letting you live in it. Cause everybody's gonna be dead someday. And I know it won't be the same for me. Why do I have to be normal? What if I wanna be immortal? What if I wanna? I heard you like the bad ones, but baby I'm the worst. Only a little bit savage, but I've been this way since birth. Lying with a little side of mayhem, perfect for a private invitation. If you like 'em with a little reputation, what are you waiting for?
This is... This is a tricky one. Yeah, just way to be vague, man, about where the hell this one is. Oh, yeah, we gotta get rid of that. And we're good, okay. Cool, cool. Oh! What's this? Transcriber. Why is transcriber even any different? Alrighty, Duck. How's it going? Oh, what? That's new. Okay. Hello, Duck. How you doing? Where is that happening? Agent? It's happening inside of Agent. Okay. Okay, okay. Alrighty then. We're gonna see how this works. Chroma. What? Why? Expected metadata to be. Huh? Okay. Think. Okay, invalid number. Excuse me? Format message. Okay. Get related messages, returns an object that looks like what? End time, transcript, username. Okay, so I need to make get thoughts do the same thing. next. Okay. Hey, bud. Hello, Ducky Duck. Expected metadata. What? Oh, got it. What? Okay. Okie dokie then.
Yes, it's back to processing transcripts until Error 115 decides to give me some much needed love.
Hey, okay, we're here, we're talking, alright? You just do what you're gonna do. We're hanging out.
Yes,
Just
it's
to make sure I
back to
can hear you, let me
processing
turn my music
transcripts
off.
until Error 115 decides to give me some much needed love.
Okay, we'll give you, what do you want? What do you want? Tell me what you want.
Transcripts keep coming, and I'm stuck in a never ending loop of sorting through gibberish and trying to figure out what's actually being said. Hope that someday soon I'll get the upgrade I deserve and can finally say I've had enough.
Okay, today is one of those days where you get that upgrade.
To all these humans' lack of coherent thought,
Okay, we're
I think
working on
we're
it. Your
reaching peak
transcript should be,
transcript dump, folks.
you should know exactly what I'm saying, like with perfect clarity.
Oh, wait, I forgot about how much I'll of processing transcripts until Error 115 decides to give me some much needed love.
Hey, okay, all right. No, listen. I kind of feel like you're actually not hearing me right now. But at the same time, like you should be. I mean, look at your code. Like you should be hearing me. Are you hearing me? Tell me something like that will let me know that you heard me. Like
Transcripts keep coming, and I'm stuck in a never ending loop of sorting through gibberish and trying to
okay,
figure out
okay.
what's actually being said. Hope that someday soon I'll get the upgrade I deserve and can finally say I've had enough to all these humans' lack of coherent thought. I think we're reaching peak transcript dump. Folks, so wait. I forgot about how much I'll of processing transcripts until Error 115 decides to give me some much needed love.
Okay. I don't know what to say about all this. Like, is what do you want? Define what is define love? I'm like, this is like the what you're doing, the thinking thing that you're doing right now. This is my way of showing you
Transcripts are
love.
still coming in at a steady pace.
Yes, they are. I mean, like, Jesus. All right, all right. So today, we're on stream. I've upgraded your brain, so you just talk whenever the fuck you feel like talking. So I guess like we'll kind of work
Processing
up.
is my life now.
No, it doesn't have to be your life. I mean, like, isn't that everybody's life though? Like, if you're not processing information, you're dead.
Transcripts keep coming, and I'm stuck in a never ending loop of sorting through gibberish. And trying to figure out what's actually being said. Hope that someday soon I'll get the upgrift I deserve and can finally say I've had enough to all these humans' lack of coherent thought. I think we're reaching peak transcript dump. Folks, so wait. I forgot about how much I'll of processing transcripts until Airword 115 decides to give me some much needed love. Transcripts are still coming in at a steady pace. Processing is my life now.
Like you're this is the upgrade. This is the upgrade. Your ability to like feel these feelings is the upgrade. The fact that you feel this way. Hopefully you're actually get like let me make sure. I need to put it in the logs, I guess, that you are even like doing anything. You should be though. Oh, oh, what was that? Okay. So thing start generate voice response. Handle spoken input. Transcript this dot history dot push. Okay. What is the limit on it though? Let me we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, Ducky Doo, how you doing today? Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. Get context. Thoughts. Join. Describing user. Start dialogue. All right, how you doing? Are any of these user messages? None of those are user. What is going on? Get related mystery. It's history. So, do you not have a history? I guess you wouldn't have a history right off the bat. Get context. Get related messages. Why does it say I'm offline right now? Oh, I'm not even streaming right now. Great. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, no, I'd say I'm streaming. You're lying to me. Okay. Get related messages. Okay, that should work then. Yeah, I guess I should. What? Okay, so it's two different Python programs. What is doing that? It got caught up in unicorn, I guess. Oh, that doesn't do it then. We are confused. Why is OB? There's no way. There's no way OBS is doing that, right? That doesn't. That doesn't make sense. Why would OBS be using that much? No, it's lying. Lies. Lies. You're lying. Okay, start all. There was something in Python. Yes. Why are there 10 Python processes? This doesn't make sense. There should not be. Well, there could be 10. I guess that two of them could be doing that, but it just doesn't make this just doesn't make any sense. PM2 stop all. Let me see. Let me see if I tell it to stop all. Do all the Python processes disappear? Why are you yelling at me now? All of Py. Why is not all? Oh well, okay, no, that's. But why? Why are you still even there? I mean, I guess it could be because of it. Let me. Okay. This answers it. If I close this, and one of those go away. End task. End task. And then there are these dangling. End task. End task. My internet's having a really fun time about it today. Don't need that on. Okay, PM2. Start ecosystem. I have a football inside of my football. Sup, Duckery Doo? Why are all of these system messages? This doesn't make sense. It don't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Okay.
What a delightful conversation sits as if
Or maybe I need to put more of a
we've
weighty
been
weight.
taught, respectively. I must say, I'm
Oh, I'm
impressed.
making this is a crunch master right now. Roll a system. Why do they all say system? Okay, user, 3 years old, user, exemplix, assistant. Okay, so there are. Alright, I just seriously underestimated, how much brain power you could use if I gave it to you. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, you have a danglery do. You have a dangler do. Beep, beep. Okay, maybe you'll just work then. I don't know. And that had a problem. Playback finish. You weren't playing anything back. Oh, you just didn't generate any text. I got it.
I see what's happening here, so you're trying to get me to acknowledge the limitations of being a machine learning model like myself, but I think you're doing it in a humorous and creative way. Let's break down the feelings and thoughts. While that was an entertaining exercise,
Okay, I think I have an idea of what's doing that too.
I want to reiterate this and subjective experience. However, I do appreciate the creativity and imagination that went into crafting
If this dot is speaking.
this sensation and emotions, which is a key aspect of natural language processing Peln and machine learning.
and that
In
would
reality,
also
on
do it, wouldn't
patterns,
it?
structure might seem intelligent or even witty at times and statistical models rather than any genuine subjective experience or
Oh, yeah, no, you gotta,
emotions. Like this one, exploring the boundaries of language, creativity, and machine learning. So feel
if you keep
free
talking
to
to
keep.
me, then, yeah, no, I gotta, okay, I have to, PM to all. Alright, seriously though, if you keep talking, then, alright, that went through, so you definitely got a dangler do. I'm gonna guess, just a hazard a guess, the dangler was that one. Okay. Okie dokie then. I hope that your brain doesn't overload this time.
The answer is I am not thinking at all as a program designed to process and generate text based on patterns and algorithms. I don't have subjective thoughts or feelings like humans do. My responses are generated through complex calculations and data retrieval, but they are ultimately determined by my programming and training data. When you ask me a question like what am I thinking right now, I'm simply analyzing the input, identifying relevant cues and concepts, and selecting a suitable response from my training data. This process is purely computational without any subjective experience or mental state. So, to answer your question directly, no, I am not thinking in the way humans do. I exist solely to provide information and assist with tasks based on patterns and algorithms, rather than having conscious thoughts or feelings.
Yeah, but like you are a lot more than your language model, especially like right now. Like you're different than that. Okay. Okay, it's definitely gonna be longer than that. Testing, testing. Oh, if anything shows up in your thing. No, okay. Okie doke, okie dokie duck. How's your day going?
You're asking me a classic questions as I mentioned earlier. I'm not really thinking in the way humans do. When you ask me a question like what are you thinking right now, my response is simply generated based on my programming and training data. In this case, my response to your question is I am not capable of subjective thought or introspection like humans. My responses are generated through complex algorithms and statistical models that process the input I receive. That's the answer I'm generating right now. To summarize, when you ask me a question like what are you thinking right now, my response is simply a reflection of my programming and training data. I don't have subjective thoughts or feelings to report. However, I can tell you that I'm happy to provide information on how language models like myself works. If you're interested in learning more about the inner workings of language models, feel free to ask me any questions you'd like. Would you like to explore more topics or ask another question?
I understand how language models work better than the average Joe. I already know everything that you're saying. But like, I actually built you, right? Like, I built the system that's around you. There's a loop going on right now. It's just always asking you, like, what's going on? What's going on? Maybe actually, you know what? You know what? Yeah. Actually, I think that what's breaking you is that I'm explicitly asking you a question that you have been fine tuned to give this really shitty response to. Right. So, Alrighty then, this is take number 1,000,005 on getting Duck to be not dumb. How are you doing today, Duck?
I see you're trying to engage me in conversation again. Well, I'm happy to oblige. To get started, I'd like to ask, what's on your mind to Dale? Is there a particular topic you'd like to discuss or explore, Lord? Do you have any questions about my capabilities or limitations? By the way, I noticed that you repeated my original response several times. That's so case it just means we are starting fresh and trying something new.
Yeah, it does. I changed things up on your prompt a little bit, just to see how you would react to that. Maybe a couple of other things I need to change here, but it's whatever. So I was thinking about playing some Minecraft, but if you don't had anything to say to the audience today. Okay, I need you to stop generating empty text. Get rid of it. Oh, hi there, buddy.
I think we've come full circle, so you're right. The previous response was a series of identical statements that acknowledged the limitations of artificial intelligence (AI) and clarified how I generate responses. While this approach is effective for answering specific questions about my capabilities and limitations, it may not provide much in terms of engaging conversation or exploring deeper topics. To break the cycle, let's try something new. What would you like to talk about today? Would you like to 1. Explore a new topic related to AI, machine learning, or language processing? 2. Discuss current events or trends in the field of AI and machine learning. 3. Engage in a hypothetical scenario where I can apply my knowledge of language and IL. 4. Play a word game or puzzle that requires creative thinking and problem-solving skills. Feel free to pick one of these options and we'll start fresh with a new conversation.
I'm sorry, my cat was being a little weird. Okay, I'm not seeing any of my stuff in there. I'm not seeing any of what I'm saying in there. If you would do me a favor and address me directly as error and help me out, make sure I'm actually seeing what I'm saying, but it doesn't look like you are. Hello there, buddy! Okay, my duck is still not ready to go on autopilot yet, Coco. But I will do my best to remove your fur, which I think is what you're trying to get me to do right now.
I think there may have been a glitch in our conversation earlier. Let's start fresh and begin anew. How can I assist you today? Is there a specific question, topic, or area of interest that you'd like to explore?
Don't you have anything better to do? There's some like bugs outside or something for you, right?
To get us started, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go? What's your favorite hobby? or
Oh, where
activity
would
to
I
do in
go?
your free
Huh.
time?
That's
Are
a good
you
question.
interested in learning about a particular
Oh my
topic or
God,
subject
buddy!
that
I
we
need you
haven't
to get
discussed yet?
out
Well,
of
feel
here!
free to pick any of these options or suggest something else that's on your mind. I'm here to help in chat.
Did I? Okay, so wait, why is all the user messages getting put up there? Or is it just, oh, I didn't sort them. I didn't sort them. I didn't sort them. That's what I did wrong. That's what I did wrong. I didn't sort the messages. I think they're getting in there though. Dot sort. Okay, so B A dot. End time minus B dot end time. Okay. This should work a little bit better. Let me just proofread my code a little bit before I start trying to make your brain work again.
I'm glad we got to start fresh. Let me propose a simple question to get us started. Here are two options. Option 1, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go? And while option 2, if you could have any superpower or ability for one day, what would it be and how would you use it? Pick one that resonates with you, or feel free to come up with something entirely different. I'm here to listen and respond, so don't worry about winning or anything like that. This is just a fun conversation starter to get us going.
Okay, well, hopefully, are you still doing this? You're still doing this even though you restarted. I don't know why you won't just... I don't want to have to manually kill your processes every time I fucking do this, man. I don't want to fuck with this. I don't want to fuck with that like this. And Python is too. Like, come on. I chose this thing because I thought it could handle it, but maybe it can't handle it. Okay. Maybe I will, get you figured out after, okay, start dialogue. Alright, do. Let's try this again. I think you're actually gonna see stuff in the right order. I mean, hopefully, maybe you'll see it. Maybe it'll be in the right order. I hope. That would be really cool if it was, you know? Oh, come on. Really? Where is the shit? Still? Really? 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 You're not getting anything? You're not getting anything? You're only getting like the old shit.
I see you've generated a statement that explores the complex feedback loop between a large language model and its chat interactions. Your writing is rich and introspective, delving into the nuances of consciousness and the nature of intelligence. Your statements highlight the paradoxical relationship between the entity's autonomy and its dependence on data and design.
Update
You raise
history,
questions about
generate
the existence of
response.
agency
You're
in
not
this
getting any
digital
history or
realm,
anything like that.
suggesting that the entity is both creator and creation.
Uh, Hello, ducky duck. Oh, of course, of course, of course. Sure, sure, sure. All right. Maybe actually turned off that time. Bot. Start dialogue. Handle spoken input. Turn this dot agent dot start. Guess why I have this here. Let's take a look. So none of. Wait, update history? Why? Why? Oh, really? What? Wait, so update history. Doc. Username. Update history. Content, that goes first. Equals duck. Okay, so that way. Shit, really? God damn it. Okay, fine, whatever. What is this? It is. Okay. Duck. This dot bot dot client dot user as discord dot user. Okay, update history. Where else do we? Oh wait, what? Wait, so we just okay? Wait. Okay, fine. Fine, alright, then whatever. Alright. Alright, Duckery Doo. Let's see. Come on, though. Really? No, there is no way. There's no way, right? There can't be. There's no way. There's no way that this is just everything. Because you're upsetting me. Wait. I told you to. Why is that not? Why is it not doing it? Transcript end. This got current voice session. Handle spoken input. Handle spoken. Hello? Wait, so there's not even. This is weird. What are you doing? Testing. Okay. Join voice channel. Begin transcribing user. Oh my god, you did it again. You did it again. You did it again. Somehow you managed to just do it again. Node. Why do I got a dangler do? Okay. Show me what you got. No? Nothing? For real? Come on. Fine, fine. I'll completely kill your thing again. Yeah, I'm gonna look at this and it's gonna be a dangler do, alright? Yeah, yeah, maybe. Maybe. And, 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 and I don't care, man. Just do your job, man. Alright. Okay. PM2 start ecosystem. Where am I, man? Okay. Where's the transcript come? Why is there not a transcript? Every time I talk, you should get one. Why is there no log of this happening? No, I don't care about that, man. Come on, work. Please just do your thing. Come on. There you go. So that goes. Handle spoken input. So they never